Simple Stoic habits that will transform you. In 2026 is not just a title, it is a promise of change and growth through simple daily actions. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy, but its ideas are powerful even today. It teaches us how to live with calm strength, discipline and clarity in a fast, noisy and stressful world. In 2026, life will be more competitive, more digital, and more uncertain than ever. So learning how to control your mind and emotions will be a superpower. Stoicism is not about becoming cold or emotionless, it is about becoming strong from the inside. It helps you stay peaceful when life is chaotic and focused, when distractions are everywhere. The Stoics believed that while we cannot control everything that happens to us, we can always control how we respond to it. This simple idea can completely change how you live, work, and think. In this video, we will explore simple Stoic habits that anyone can practice. These habits do not require money, special tools, or a perfect life. They only require awareness, consistency, and effort. If you apply them daily, they can slowly but deeply transform you into a calmer, wiser, and stronger person. The first Stoic habit is learning to control what you can and letting go of what you cannot. Everyday people waste their mental energy worrying about things that are outside their control. They worry about the past, about other people, opinions about the future, and about events they cannot change. Stoicism teaches a simple filter for life. Ask yourself, is this under my control? If the answer is yes, then act responsibly and do your best. If the answer is no, then accept it and move on. This habit alone can reduce anxiety, stress, and anger. Imagine someone speaks badly about you. You cannot control their words or thoughts, but you can control how you react. You can choose calm instead of anger, dignity instead of revenge. Over time, this habit makes you emotionally mature and mentally free. The second Stoic habit is negative visualization. This does not mean being pessimistic, it means being realistic. The Stoics believed that expecting life to be perfect makes us weak. When problems arrive, we panic because we were not prepared. Negative visualization means imagining possible difficulties before they happen. You imagine delays, failures, loss, criticism, and discomfort. This prepares your mind, so when challenges come, they do not shock you. Instead of saying, "Why me?" you say, "I was ready for this." This habit builds emotional resilience and gratitude, because when things go well, you appreciate them more. When things go wrong, you remain steady. In 2026, this habit is especially important because uncertainty is everywhere. Jobs, relationships, and plans can change quickly. A prepared mind suffers less. The third Stoic habit is practicing silence. Stoics believed that unnecessary talk leads to unnecessary trouble. In a world full of opinions, arguments, and noise, silence becomes power. When you speak less, you observe more. When you observe more, you understand better. Silence helps you avoid useless conflicts and emotional reactions. It gives you time to think before responding. This does not mean never speaking. It means speaking with purpose, clarity, and calmness. In daily life practice, pausing before replying to messages, comments, or criticism. Ask yourself, are my words helpful, necessary, and kind? This habit improves your communication and earns respect from others. The fourth Stoic habit is accepting discomfort. Modern life encourages comfort at all times. Soft beds, easy food, instant entertainment, and constant pleasure. But too much comfort weakens the mind. Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort to build strength. This means choosing small challenges like cold showers, walking instead of driving, eating simple food, or limiting screen time. These actions train your mind to handle difficulty. When you learn that you can survive discomfort, fear loses its power. Then, when real problems come, you do not break. This habit builds discipline, confidence, and self-control. In 2026, when comfort is everywhere, choosing discomfort will set you apart. The fifth Stoic habit is remembering impermanence. Stoics constantly reminded themselves that everything is temporary. Happiness, pain, success, failure, youth, and even life itself will pass. This idea is known as memento mori, remembering death. This habit is not depressing, it is grounding. It helps you value time and focus on what truly matters. When something bad happens, you remember this too shall pass. When something good happens, you enjoy it without attachment. This habit reduces fear, greed, and ego. It helps you live with balance and gratitude. In a fast-changing world, remembering impermanence keeps you humble and present. The sixth Stoic habit is focusing on effort, not results. Most people suffer because they tie their happiness to outcomes. They feel good only when they win, succeed, or receive praise. Stoicism teaches that outcomes are not fully under our control, but effort is your duty, is to do your best, honestly and consistently, without obsessing over results. You study, work, and act with sincerity, then accept whatever outcome comes. This habit removes disappointment, jealousy, and frustration. It gives peace because your self-worth is based on character, not success. In 2026, where competition is intense, this habit protects your mental health. The seventh Stoic habit is daily reflection. Stoics believed that self-examination is essential for growth. At the end of each day, they reflected on their actions, thoughts, and emotions. Writing a journal is a powerful way to practice this habit. You write what you did well, where you failed, and how you can improve tomorrow. This is not for self-criticism, but for self-awareness. Over time, this habit helps you understand your patterns, correct your mistakes, and grow steadily. Even 5 minutes a day can create massive change. In 2026, when life moves fast, reflection keeps you grounded. The eighth Stoic habit is not seeking validation from others. Many people live for approval, likes, praise, and attention. Stoics believed that true confidence comes from within. They measured success by virtue, not popularity. They asked, did I act honestly, courageously, and wisely, not did people like me? This habit frees you from the opinions of others. When you stop chasing validation, you gain independence, self-respect, and inner strength. You become less anxious and more authentic. In a social media-driven world, this habit is revolutionary. The ninth Stoic habit is choosing character over comfort. Stoicism values virtue above all else. Virtue means honesty, courage, discipline, kindness, and fairness. Even when it is uncomfortable, Stoics believed that doing the right thing is always worth it, even if it costs you popularity, money, or ease. This habit builds strong character and self-trust. When you know you can rely on your principles, you walk with confidence. In 2026, when shortcuts and compromises are common, character will be rare and valuable. The 10th Stoic habit is seeing challenges as training. Stoics believed that difficulties are not obstacles, but opportunities. They saw problems as exercises to build strength, patience, and wisdom. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? They asked, how can this make me better? This mindset transforms suffering into growth. When you face hardship, you look for lessons instead of blame. This habit makes you resilient and optimistic even in tough times. In 2026, when challenges are unavoidable, this habit gives you power. Together, these simple Stoic habits can deeply transform you. They help you become calmer under pressure, stronger in adversity, and clearer in thought. You will react less emotionally and respond more wisely. You will stop wasting energy on things you cannot control and focus on what truly matters. Stoicism does not remove emotions. It teaches you how to manage them. It does not make life easy. It makes you strong. The transformation does not happen overnight. It happens through daily practice, small choices, and consistent effort. Start with one habit, practice it daily, then slowly add others. Over time, you will notice changes in how you think, feel, and act. You will feel more in control, more peaceful, and more confident. In 2026, when the world feels unstable, Stoicism gives you inner stability. When others panic, you stay calm. When others react, you respond. When others complain, you adapt. This is the power of Stoic habits. They transform you from the inside out. Life will always have uncertainty, pain, and challenges. Stoicism does not promise a perfect life. It promises a prepared mind and a strong character that is true transformation. If you commit to these simple habits and practice them daily, 2026 can become the year you become mentally strong, emotionally balanced, and deeply grounded. The world may not change, but you will, and that makes all the difference. Start applying these Stoic habits today and see the change in your life. If you want more tips to stay calm, focused, and strong, subscribe now and join our journey. Hit the bell too, so every video reaches you first.